Can Shiba Inu reach a $10 billion market cap valuation in 2023? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And I've got some interesting news to share with you on that. And the answer is actually quite possibly yes, for a couple of reasons. And we're going to take a look at that. As always, thanks for your time. Hit that subscribe, drop a like on this video. Please tell the algorithm that we are here. All right. So can SHIB's valuation reach $10 billion in 2023? Right now, Shiba Inu has a valuation of $7.505 billion. So easy math, we need about 2.5 billion, 2.5 billion more to get to that $10 billion market valuation. And can SHIB do that? Can we accomplish that? And the answer very quite simply is yes, absolutely. That's not a lot of movement from an overall market valuation as much as you would think it would be. And here's why. There's a couple of factors at play. Number one, the entire crypto market is a $1.120 trillion market. That's the entire market. That's everything. That's all everything. And Bitcoin and Ethereum combined make up about 60% of that number. So this number plus this number, basically are about 50. Actually, it's actually about 55-ish to 60%. I haven't ran the exact numbers, but it's somewhere in that ballpark. Okay. And so as the overall market continues to go up in value, meaning as the entire crypto market capitalization, which is $1.120 trillion right now, goes to say 2 trillion, 2.5 trillion, close to 3 trillion, which it should, then all the other cryptos will rise with that. That right there is probably enough to get Shiba Inu to a $10 billion market capitalization. That's total market cap for SHIB. That one will probably do it. Oh, by the way, we got this little thing called Shibarium that is going to, I firmly believe, add more market capitalization as well, meaning it's going to send the price higher for SHIB. Okay. So those two factors combined, to me, it's quite easy. Yes. In fact, I see it's entirely possible for SHIB to reach 12 billion market capitalization. I'm going to remind you, it has been dramatically higher than any numbers we're talking about back in October of 2021, when SHIB went up 1,005% in 1 month. And that was in October of 2021. That was absolutely a crazy, crazy time. So yeah, so there you go. So yes, I think that we can accomplish that. That's what I got. As always, thanks for your support. I'll see you. Have a good one. Go make some money.